Welcome to an unboxing of the Beyblade Burst Dynamite Battle Random Booster 1.25. This is Korean, not Japanese, as well as a quick look, because I realize I haven't shown them off. Ultraman Z, not Z, Z. Z in Japanese, Z in English. And common line of drive, type dead heat muck. My first common rider. So looking at Z. Articulations, the usual vinyl figure. And looking at type that heat muck. Got the muck driver. Got some parts of drive. And some parts of the muck suit. Same as the Ultraman vinyl figures. This will come up next. Here's Z's tag and Dead Heat Mock's tag. This is new. I got this guy at the flea market. New. Whenever the Tamer's Dims came out, I got Z. I just haven't showcased the Tamer's Dims because I'm waiting on a case from Erod Builds. I can put those tags in the trash. And now on to the main event. Get our handy dandy knife. Real quick, here's the lineup. Low mode, high mode. Here are all the stats. Well, here's the stats for Rocktivore. You get one of these. You don't get all of them. Here's the Amazon barcode, if anyone wants it to look up themselves. Ooh, I just hurt myself. Hey, no blood. No idea what any of this is. Here's a look at instructions, I believe. What we want is in here. Trying not hurting myself again. Done with the knife for now. I believe this is what we need for more strength. Not Rocktivore. I believe this is a plastic gem Beyblade, but I'm not 100% sure. Back to the knife. Am I missing something? There's supposed to be stickers. Yes. Let me apply these and I'll be right back. And voila. Upon thinking about it for inspection, as I knock the camera, I think this is a Mill Fusion Beyblade. Again, I don't know the name of it. Don't know it off the top of my head. And I say that because this looks like the fusion layer. The facebolt, energy ring, fusion layer will be the spin track and the performance tip. This does not have a high mode and a low mode due to it being a reissue anniversary type of deal. Here's the forge disc, driver performance tip. I don't believe this comes apart like the Hasbro card drive stuff. Unless I'm not pulling hard enough, or I'm just missing something. And this just simply pushes out. And that was an unboxing of the Beyblade Burst Dynamite Battle Random Boosto 1.25. And a bonus book of Kamen Rider Drive, Type Heat, Type Heat, Mach, and Ultraman Z. That'd be all.